What's up, bros? Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4. Yes. I just wanted to make a video. I don't make videos that often anymore. So, this video... Oh, wow. That one was really good. Okay. Oh, no, man. Okay. Not really good at commentating what's going on here. I usually just play this game without talking, but it was jump over the spinning laser. Most people were cheating. Okay. Escape the burning building. This one, I haven't had this one in a while. Oh. Okay, well that didn't really help me. Escape this burning building. Where's the... Oh no. Oh no. I just have to survive a little bit. Oh no. Oh man, I died. At least I wasn't the first one to die. Okay. So, how do people do that? Oh yeah, guys, by the way, you could, subscribe and like this video. It really helps out this channel, I think. Okay, mine to find the diamonds. Okay. Okay. I don't think I'm getting anywhere. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, we have 60 seconds. You have a minute left. I'm probably might be able to find it. Some diamonds. This is just Minecraft, pretty much. Where's all the diamonds? I'm just gonna be going around. I'm going this way. Okay, well, complete the obbies to build the snowman. Okay. I'm pretty good at obbies, I would say. Especially these obbies where all you really have to do is just, what happened? ... Okay. Avoid falling off. This one is... I mean, it's possible to win. I just never win. Because... Yeah, see? Like, this isn't really... Come on, change. Oh no. Oh, by the way, at the end of the video, I'll be doing some lucky fans. Will get my friend request, and well, I will accept their friend request. By the way, if you want to accept my friend request, my name is Puppy. Sorry, it's really cringe. Puppy_. Lover, but Luver, and then 150. That's my name. It should say Gertrude Beautiful Man though. Oh wait, man. Okay. 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 Ignore that guy. Hopefully you didn't see that. I was just on Google Translate because I wanted to translate some Google. Oh. This person thinks, okay. Oh, I got another person. Okay. Oh, man. Okay, broken windows. Oh, I don't have to. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is there any other stuff? Another one right there. Okay. Oh, no. I think everyone's remaining. Am I still recording? Yeah. How long have I been recording? I'll just get on up here real quick. Oh no, I can't. Ah! Oh no. No, man. Okay. How long have I been recording? It doesn't even say. Okay, stay clear from the red chocolate. Have you guys ever heard of red chocolate? Yeah, me neither. Yes. But we have to stay away from it, apparently. Oh no. Like, that's not even fair. That just kills everyone immediately when that person freezes you. That's not really fair. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I was gonna win. Well, there's only one person left. I mean, this game is kind of hard. Oh, by the way, guys, I just wanted to tell you, Cool Dreams Episode 2 is coming out Saturday, June 22nd. Oh, okay. I didn't think fast because I was telling you about my thing. Cool Dreams Episode 2. I'm going pink. Okay. I'm going green. Oh, yellow. Pink. Man. Okay. I'm not the luckiest, but at least I wasn't the first one out. I was the second one. Okay. Oh, come on. That always happens. This is would be one of my favorite ones, but I never know it's that, so I never stay still. Well, what time is it? 12:08. It's 12:08. I'm seeing 4 generators. No gear. What? There. Oh, the button has been repaired. Okay, watch out. Ah, evil giant potatoes. Oh, yeah, amazing. Last to leave. Be the last team standing to win. Team red for the win. Okay. Team red for the win. Okay. Oh, I won. I think. Where did the other person go? Of course, you can just stand on the thing. What is what most people do or try to do. I don't think it's even possible on this one. Oh, I might mess up. Oh, I messed up. No one's even left. I should have won. The other person is cheating. Probably using his magic carpet thing that I see a lot of people use. Okay. This. Okay, stay away from the lightning. Okay, it says where it is. Oh, I should have. How did that even happen? This seems like it's just a joke. Oh, okay. The button presser. Okay. Okay, well, this one was one of the easier ones. That person, what is that person doing? A storm? Oh. It is a storm. I don't think this would actually happen in real life. Oh, man. I would be good at that one. Okay, I think this is going to be the last one. Well, one of the last. Well, not the last one. The next one's going to be the last one. Because this one's not really a fun one. Oh, no, I'm getting abducted by aliens. Yep. Oh, and I didn't even die. Yeah, this one's short, too. Oh, really? Oh, stole my health. Except for one singular health. That doesn't really make that much sense. What do I have in my thing? Okay. This next one will be the last one. Yes. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, this is the last one. That person could probably just get to the end. And I think I might be able to make that jump, but I won't try. And I did it. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video today. Oh, actually, no, I almost forgot. The lucky winner for the friend request. And pick a random one. This person. Okay, good job. SNJDJEHEB. There we go. Accept friend. Okay, goodbye, guys.